Hello everyone, I am Akashawale. Today is the 5 February 2022 and today topic is the encapsulation and abstractions. In a OOPS concept in Java, there are five important pillars. In this out of five, encapsulation, abstractions, inheritance and polymorphism are the important pillars that are used in real time. So today we discuss the encapsulation and abstractions. So starts with the abstractions. Abstractions means exposing only required or important things. It's called abstractions. Abstraction can be called by two types. Abstraction can be achieved by two types. That is the abstract class or interfaces. So interface is a most principle. We must be follow the I to C design. Means every class should be implemented by a class. Every class should be implemented by interface. In a industry level, architect level people develop the interfaces, and this interface given to developer to writing the classes and implement these classes. Implement these classes. The aim of the interfaces is expose our methods or expose our API with other projects. For example, ICICI Bank methods or interfaces can be implemented in various shopping cart. Interface can be compiled but cannot run. In an interface, there doesn't have a constructor. Interface can implement multiple interfaces. In an interface, methods are abstract. Means abstract method doesn't have a body. Body. In case of classes, if method is abstract, then class should be defined as a abstract. In interfaces, there is explicit declaration of no explicit declaration of methods. No explicit declaration like classes like classes. But these are by default abstract methods. In interfaces, access specifier is a public to the methods. If you want to write the access specifier, then write a public, or even not a return, then GML automatically calls it is a public. GML automatic calls it's a public interface. Any interface methods can be accessed. Access by using it can be included by any classes or methods. Implement methods using implements keyword. Implements keyword is used for the implement the interface syntax. Class name. Suppose class name is A. Class A extends interface B. In case A implements B, that is B can be included by the A class. A class. Class can extend class can extend class, and interface implements interface. Interface implements interface extend interfaces. Interface extend multiple interfaces. Why interface? Because to expose our third party API. In a constructor is not present in interface because constructor is not called by super call by any mechanism. For example, in a Flipkart shopping cart, ICICI Bank is added. Then Flipkart wants some code from the Flipkart because Flipkart have not a one banks. Then it can give the help from other banks to do the payment. That is also then for Flipkart. When Flipkart uses ICICI Bank, then it requires some code from the ICICI Bank. If ICICI Bank gives some code uh, to the Flipkart, then its logic should be exposed or code should be interpreted or hacked. That's why ICICI Bank only give the methods or class for the transaction do. That is the interface or into the interface. Next is the abstract class. Abstract class is a special class, like a special class. Abstract class is like a normal class, but it is with some extra features. In the abstract class, all methods are abstract, concrete, or mixing of both methods. If a method is abstract, then declare a class as an abstract. If you don't want to implement or override the method of a class, then simply make as an abstract. Simply make an abstract. If somebody wants his methods or class not accessed by any other directly, but through the inheritance. In the abstract, there is a constructor. Abstract cannot implement, cannot use a multiple inheritance in case of in case of classes, but in case of interfaces, multiple inheritance is allowed in Java. So let's small difference between abstract class and interface. In the abstract class, constructor is present. In interface, constructor is not present. Multiple inheritance is not allowed in the abstract class, but in case of interfaces, it is allowed. Class extend class and class implements interfaces. Interface extend interfaces. Class can be compiled or run, but in case of interface, it can be compiled but cannot be run. So let's discuss about the encapsulation. So what is encapsulation? Encapsulation means binding or wrapping the data into a single unit. Unit. In the class, class have variables. Variables means variables is a properties and methods are the operations. Class can be combinations of variables and operations. All the variables and operations can be bind together to the a. That is, for example, if suppose class name is a, and in this class variables are a, b, c, and methods are m1, m2. Then all these data bind together in a class a. Class k. Encapsulation means it cannot be accessed by outside or other classes. Encapsulation can be done by using make a method as a method or variable as a make a variable as a private, and it can be accessed through only these class methods, not a outside class method. Method must be public public. It can also in get the methods which are used in encapsulation is called the get and set methods. If for example in a class where number of students are present, then we give the variable number of students is a private, and get method is a get method, and set method. Two methods are important. Set method is used for the input, and get method for output. Then set and get methods are used. In encapsulation are also called as setters and getters methods. The benefits of encapsulation is it's a total control over the data must be present in this field, and it can be used only write only or read only mechanism in encapsulation. That's all about the encapsulation and abstractions. Thank you.